Throughout the world, climate change is affecting the level of the sea and encroaching upon critical habitat and infrastructure along its shores. As a community, we must begin talking about ways to adapt to rising seas and testing viable options. Over the past 10 years, the Hayward Area Shoreline Planning Agency, or HASPA, a group of local environmental, business, and government agencies, have focused their efforts on ways to manage the problem. Throughout the studies and discussions, one alternative continued to rise to the top: the horizontal levee, an idea proposed by Peter Bay, a consulting ecologist, and Jeremy Lowe of ESA. The basic concept is the gently sloped horizontal levee will provide robust flood protection, needed habitat on the bay edge, and the ability to improve water quality in the Bay Area, all at a modest cost compared to traditional flood protection alternatives. Construction of the horizontal levee and a new treatment wetland basin began in the spring of 2015. The horizontal levee consists of an area of 400 feet by 200 feet with a 5-foot slope from the top to the toe of the levee. The project was designed to facilitate research, so the levee is divided into 12 cells that will test 4 different combinations of soil types, plant species, and watering rates. This will help determine the best combination for removing the nutrients from the water. It will take a few months and a few hundred volunteers to transplant the 20+ native species into the basin and levee. Over the next 3 years, a research team will measure the levee's capacity to further polish water and to provide sustainable habitat. The project team hopes the results from this demonstration will lead to other experiments in the East Bay and beyond. If the idea catches on, there's potential to implement larger-scale projects throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. The good thing about Sea Rise is we have time to respond. The steps we're taking today will ensure that we make good decisions for our future. For more information about the Horizontal Levee Project, visit our website, oraloma.org.